Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I do my daughter's box braid. So without further ado, let's get into the video. My daughter's hair is already washed and clean. So what we need is this braiding hair by X-Pression. It is pre-stretched and in the color 1B. Next is this smooth edge conditioning gel by Dream Kids. This olive oils mango butter leave-in conditioner by Elasta. Blue Magic hair food. We shall also be needing a Damian brush, our tail comb, a pair of scissors, this scrunchie, edge control brush, so guys, let's get started. I'm going to oil my daughter's scalp with the Blue Magic hair food oil. Guys, this product is rich with vitamin E and it has wheat germ oil and coconut oil. So guys, I'm going to be using 2 bundles of a shorter length braiding hair out of the 4 bundles. And before braiding, I'm going to be prepping my braiding hair. I'm going to comb down, I'm going to brush down the hair, and then I'm going to be mixing my Blue Magic hair food and the olive oil and mango butter leave-in conditioner. Guys, I'm doing this because the braiding hair is dry, and if you go ahead and braid your child's hair with this, it's going to suck out the moisture from my child's natural hair. So going in with this mixture is going to also help the hair to stay moisturized till the time I'm taking out the braid, or till the time I'm going to wash the braid and then re-moisturize it. So it is very important that you moisturize your braiding hair before braiding the hair. So guys, I'm going to part the hair. And I'm going to go in with my smooth edge conditioning gel to hold the hair in place. Guys, one thing I love about this edge conditioning gel is that it's very moisturizing, and this is specific for kids. It leaves your hair moisturized. It's very nice. So I'm going to take a little portion of the braiding hair, like so, like this much, and I'm going to take the loose end. From the loose end of that braiding hair, I'm going to take a little portion and twist it like 2 to 3 times around the natural hair, and then rejoining it to the loose end of the braiding hair, and then twist it over the parted hair one more time, and then start braiding. Guys, I don't know if you understand what I mean. That's the best I can explain, but feel free to rewind the video as many times as needed. Why I love using this technique to braid is because it is very kid friendly. It doesn't hurt, it's not damaging to the natural hair, and most of all, it doesn't cause tension to the scalp, causing bumps. So it's very nice. I'm done braiding the hair. This is how it looks. It looks clean and not too full, but just okay for a little girl. So I'm going to put the tips of the box braids in hot water, but I'm gonna do that off camera. See you in a bit. So guys, this is the final look. As you can see, she loves her hair. So make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.